Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn highest common factor and least common multiple. So in this lesson you study factors, what is meant by factors, then how to find highest common factor and also how to find least common multiple. Least common multiple. So before starting here, so you know what is meant by natural numbers? Natural number means natural number starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. So this type of number called as a natural numbers. Example of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Then next whole numbers. What is meant by whole number? Whole numbers means the number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to again infinity. So this type of number called as a whole numbers. Then what is meant by even numbers? Even numbers, you know. What is meant by even numbers? Even number means a numbers which is completely divisible by 2 called as even numbers. Numbers which is completely divisible by 2 called as even numbers. Example of even numbers. So even numbers starting from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 up to infinity. So this is the example of even numbers. So next odd numbers. Odd number means a numbers which is not completely divisible by 2, so called as a odd numbers. In an odd number, remainder is 1, or in even number, remainder is 0. So example of odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 up to infinity. So this type of number is a odd numbers. So see here, so all definition you know. So in this lesson first you understood what is meant by factors. Factors means when two or more numbers are multiplied. When two or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is a factor of the product. When two or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is a factor of the product, and the product is a multiple of each one of the numbers, and the product is a multiple of each one of the numbers. Example, here we take 8 multiplied by 6. For example, here 8 multiplied by 6, so we get here 48. 8 multiplied by 6, so we get here 48. Implies 8 and 6 implies 8 and 6 implies 8 and 6 are factors of 48, are factors of 48, are factors of 48. 8 multiplied by 6 equal to 48 implies 8 and 6 are factors of 48. Corresponding to multiplication fact. Corresponding to multiplication fact. So corresponding to division facts. Corresponding to multiplication fact. Corresponding to the division fact. Corresponding to the division fact, 48 divide 8 is equal to 8 6 are 48. So answer is here 6 and 48 divides 8, so we get answer 8 6 are 48. So answer is here 6 and 48 divides 6, so answer is here 8. 6 8 are 48. So here 8 divides 48, here 8 divides 48 exactly, and also 6 divides 48 exactly. Here 8 divides 48, 8 6 are 48, 8 divides 48 exactly, here remainder is 0, or here also 6 8 are 48, so 6 is exactly divides 48, so answer is here 8. So 6 and 8 are factors of 48. So again we say that factors means when two or more numbers are multiplied, then each number is a factor of the product. Then each number is a factor of the product, and the product is a multiple of each one of the numbers, and the product is a multiple of each one of the numbers. This is the definition of factors. Then we see properties of factors. Properties of factors. Properties of factors. First, one is a factor of every number. 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 30 divides 1. Example, 30 divides 1. So we get here answer 30. Then again 28 divides 1. So we get answer 20. So 1 is a factor of every number. Then every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Every non-zero number, every non-zero number, every non-zero number, every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Is a factor of itself. Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Example, same number 18 divides 18. So we get answer here 1. Then 40 divides 40 is equal to answer 1. So this is every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Third property, the factor of non-zero number, the factor of non-zero number, the factor of non-zero number is either less than or equal to, is either less than or equal to the number. The factor of non-zero number is either less than or equal to the number. Example, the largest factor of 25 is 25. and the smallest factor of 25 is 1. So the factor of non-zero number is either less than or equal to the number. Example here, the smallest factor of 25 is 1. The greatest factor of factor of 25 is 25. The greatest factor of 25 is 25. So this is the concept of factor. So next, see what is meant by highest common factor. Highest common factor is a highest common factor is the next Hcf. Hcf, that is highest common factor of two or more numbers, is the greatest number. Highest common factor Hcf is the highest common factor. Hcf is the highest common factor. Hcf is the highest common factor of two or more numbers. Highest common factor is the highest common factor of two or more numbers. Is the greatest number. Is the greatest number that divides each given number. That divides each given number. That divides each given number completely. Hcf is the highest common factor of two or more numbers, is the greatest number that divides given number completely. Example, find Hcf 8 and 12. So first you find the factors of 8 and 12 and then you find highest common factor between these two numbers. So first we write factors of 8. Factors of 8 is 1 is the factor of every number, then 2 divides 2 for the 8. So 2 is a factor of 8, then 3 is not divisible by 8, so 3 is not a factor of 8. Then you take next number 4 to the 8, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is a factor. So only 4 factors here, 1, 2, 4, 8. Then factors of 12. So first one is a factor of every number, you write down always. Then 2 6 are 12. So write 2 is a factors of 12. Then 6 also is a factors of 12. Then 3 4s are 12. 3 is a factor of 12. Then 4 3s are 12. So 4 is a factors of 12. Then 5. In a 5 12 is not present. 5 does not divide. So 5 divides 12 completely. Yes or no? No. So 5 is not a factors of 12. So next 6 to the 12. Yes, 6 divides 12 completely. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, directly 12. 12 divides 12. So answer is 1. So 12 is the factors of 12. So here, in between these two numbers, which is the highest common factor? Here common factors are 1, 1, 2, 2. Then 4, 4. Here 3 is not present. So only common 3 factors. Common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Between these 3 numbers, which is the highest number? 4. 4 is the highest number. So 4 is the highest common factor of 8 and 12. So first we write common factors. Common factors of 8 and 12 is 1, 2, 4. So this in these 3 numbers, so write here therefore highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4. This is the answer. So find highest common factor in this way. Then next LCM. LCM means next we see LCM. LCM is the least common multiple. Least common multiple of factor of 2 or more numbers. LCM is the least common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each given number. Each given number. LCM is the least common multiple of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number which is divisible by each given number. So example here, LCM of 8 and 12. LCM of 8 and 12. So in this number LCM of 8 and 12. So here LCM is the least common multiple of 2 or more number is the smallest number which is divisible by each given number. So least common multiple. So you know multiple means repeated addition. So first you write multiples of 8. Multiples of 8 is equal to 8. 8 1 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40. So total, then write multiples of 12, then 12, 12 2 the 24, 12 3 the 36, 12 4 the 48, and then 12 5 the 60. So here least common multiple, least common multiple. So which is the least common multiple here? So here 8 is present, but here 8 is not present. Then here 16, here 24. Here only 24 is the least common multiple. Both the numbers 24 is present. So this is the least common multiple of 8 and 12 is 24. So therefore LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. This is the answer. So thank you.